Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me.
This video is about a BMW e30 325i on BBS RS rims modified tuning story. Before was a normal BMW e30, then owner tried to make a simple and clean look on this car. Install coilovers, install BBS RS rims, change a lot of interior parts and make a unique and awesome interior. Change front and rear bumper and now it's exactly how owner want to be.
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Owner of the car want to show his tuning story for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, don't hesitate and ask in comment section below, and also you will find in description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make a new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy it. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more, and see you guys later.